What is up, guys? What is up? I think now is connected. Actually, I feel sad to talk about it. I was talking a lot. I saw the stream is connected, and I was start counting. I was talking. I was reading the chat. Some people even left the chat. I saw people watching. Actually, it's not even live, so I kind of waste my time. I already finished like 423, and I showed the video, everything, but it doesn't succeed. So I will show you guys the video again, all the way again, about today's video. Before that, I want to show you guys one thing kind of bothering me today. It is a message I got from Facebook. Here it is. They said I am violating the community standard. Look at this. This is a screenshot from that message. Say my post is against the community standard. And I was wondering which post, and I found it out. It's a post about this. It's already got deleted, so I will show you guys here. Yeah, you guys cannot watch it. I don't know if I play the YouTube also gonna say I am violating their community standard or not. But the best way is just join our community. I will post it there. I already posted there because Facebook doesn't allow me to do it. YouTube is even very restricted on that too. So. But the ridiculous part is today I will show you guys one video is about how China talking about the virus. He can spread whatever kind of fake news about COVID, right? But in Facebook in America, if you say that COVID is from China, it means you're against the community standards. That's ridiculous. That's how China infiltrating the world, guys. Oh, this one is also worth to share. This is today's leaked video, guys. I will start from the beginning. Let's watch it together. Look at that. China is like forcing Uyghurs performance, right? Like Uyghurs is well known, is very popular in China or even whole Central Asia or any Turkey if you ask. We're very good at dancing. We have like 1,000 years of just dancing history probably. We're good at it, yeah. And we have more than 3,000 different music instruments, right? So we're very good at it, but they don't allow that. They kind of jealous, so I don't know. Hey, Bister forever. Yeah, I'm showing you guys today's leaked video. I collected from the internet, which is from the Chinese version of TikTok. You can see anywhere in other the media you can download. See. They're forcing Uyghurs dancing their culture music, like their culture. Look at those. They are assimilating us. What is the light, the red light on the top is not our culture. They put that and then let Uyghurs take off our traditional clothes and wear their clothes. I don't want to judge their dance, but you will think about it. You will compare our dance or our traditional clothes with them. It just piss me off, guys. I'm great, bro. How are you doing? Are you a bro or sister? Okay, look at this. Look at it. That's the guys. It's basically humiliating us, you know, humiliating. Look at this. What kind of dance is that? They don't even dance themselves. Like Chinese even don't dance this type of performance, right? This is not some dance. Look at that. Look at it. What is this? What is this? This is a dance? But they're doing that just for humiliating us. Just like force us to do something. And You know what is the title on the behind? It's Unity of Nations, and it builds a Chinese dream together. Your Chinese dream is assimilate as a people and keep invading our as a nation, make a virus, right? That's what the Chinese dream probably. That's what they write, see? So for build your Chinese dream, we have to dance your culture music, your culture dance. That's your Chinese dreams. That's messed up dream. Forget about your dream. Your dream is gonna be end soon. Chinese Communist Party. Look at this. I feel so bad if I keep watching this type of thing, but and same girls, and they have to take out their own clothes and dress like Chinese, you know. This is okay. I don't want to talk too much. Look at this. This got forced. If you know what's gonna happen if they don't dance, they refuse to perform, join this and dance. They might not just get arrested and get killed or, you know, taken to the camp immediately. What happened is every Uyghurs has their own like a community cops. Every like a community has their police station, Chinese Han police station right there. Oh yeah, forced to drink alcohol. I will explain this later too. Mister, I will tell you how they forced Uyghurs drink alcohol. It's not like you think, or force you like holding the gun to their head and if you drink, I'll kill you. Not like this. I will explain how it works. And similar with the dance. Okay, if you don't do what they will ask you nicely, right? Like, okay, we have a alcohol like a drinking competition, or we have a dance competition. Chinese communist saying, invaders saying, right? Oh, come and joining us. Let's build our Chinese dream together. Then you say no. If you say, oh, what the heck is that? You know, regular people gonna think like that. Oh, alcohol drinking competition for Muslim in front of the mosque? Are you kidding me? If they ask me here, I would say like that, right? And that for them, they have to take off their own traditional clothes or their own clothes. They have to dress the clothes they required and then dance like that. If they don't, if they refuse, okay, the local community, which is only control like 500 or 400 Uyghur family, each 400 or 500 family has one community cops, okay, the station. They have all your record, all your family members from your like cousin, from like a 3 older generation, everything. And as he get arrested, as he have a beard, it's not like written because of the now like computer software stuff. They have a specific software to control everything, and they have every person has their own score, okay, personal like a credit score, social credit score, like similar like that. You have, but your score is gonna decrease, right? Like if you refuse to dance, okay, -10 because she kind of not a good Uyghurs. He might think some like separatist thought. Like that's how they programmed their software, okay guys? That's how they programmed. So then every camera on the street based on that software can easily monitor you wherever you go, your phone, your software on your app, your social media app, everything gonna easily get monitored by those people, those communist cops. And alcohol is same thing. They're not yes, they're not gonna force you to drink with the gun, but every time during the Ramadan for check, are you still a Muslim or not, right? What you think, is this our succeeded product or not? How they will check you. They will force you eat something. They're not force. The reason I say is they will check you. Basically, everything they ask you to do is by force. You can't refuse. If you refuse, your score gonna decrease and you will get in trouble soon. When it collected enough, then you will go to the camp. That's how it works. So you can't wear the hijab as a woman, any scarf. No, if you do, your score gonna decrease. If a man, you can't go to the mosque. Every mosque has a camera. So you can get your face and then get your information and automatically decrease your score. And then if all collected, then you will ready to. It's like a machinized, all right? It's just like 1984 George Orwell's book. It's everything digital. They control you by their social score, social credit score. Okay, so they're like machines. They have to do whatever Chinese requirement to do. So even marriage to Han Chinese, even those Chinese guys, some of them has a mental issue. I saw some videos. The guys who married Uyghur girl is like almost cry, but the guy was like laughing, look, getting different space. It definitely has some mental issue. They're forcing Uyghur women to marry those type of person, and that is their Chinese dream. Look at that. 中华民族一家亲。中华民族 is 中华 nations unity. Let's build Chinese dream. That's how ridiculous is that. So guys, more discussion we're having in our community. Just join, just click the link and join our link at our community in Telegram. We have a lot of those things, those bandit news or like any video against community, like those type of sensitive things. Facebook and YouTube, it doesn't allow me put here, guys. I have to send, we have to discuss in something private. So, thank you, Beast. Please just share the video. Let's reach more people, and then I'll keep playing. And one thing, in today's collection, there's evidence for the forced labor. There's two Chinese guy like monitoring Uyghurs to do it. Look at this. Look at. Do you think this is a dance? This is not a dance. Everyone can do it. Heck. But Chinese enjoy, right? Oh yeah, now we force them to do this type of things because they're pervert, basically. Their mental have problem, like Dalai Lama said. They mentally got damaged. They've been slave for too long time, so they have messed up mindset. Look at this. This is not even dance. I mean, their own people don't even dance this stupid dance, you know. But they have to let you do it and enjoy. Okay, yeah, look at those Turkic beauties dancing for us. Use our culture's things. That's how they enjoy. They're mental, I told you, they mentally get damaged. They're sick. They're messed up. If they're not messed up, they don't like make virus kill people and do genocide to a whole nation, guys. There's no other explanation about that. And this is, look at those like those clothes for the nurse, right? During the COVID, right? Those type of clothes made in China, made by Uyghur slave. Look at that. This video is not about the Uyghurs. This is kind of, I recognize it's not our culture's standard, the building or the house. This is Hui Muslims, right? I can recognize from the sound, background sound. And look at this. The reason I put it here is see, it has some Islamic word on the top. Now it's got destroyed. Like I said, guys, this video is about how what China's saying about the virus, right? The American, like Facebook, not American Facebook. Okay, Facebook is a let's say private company. Zuckerberg's private company, which is never listen to China. Okay, his company don't allow you to talk about COVID, especially if you say that's made in China. You will get punishment like what they did to me. They just deleted that video. And this one is from TikTok. What they're saying, which is Chinese company, right? Chinese communist company TikTok. Whoever still using TikTok, then you are contributing Chinese communists. Just delete the app, please, because they can just say random fake news. Look at that. What they're saying is Russia just state COVID probably is leaked from American lab. So whole nation has to come together and let America take the responsibility. That's what they're saying. They're trying to brainwash their own citizen, saying Russia, because they respect and like Russia a lot. All right, that's how communists from. So Stalin basically built Mao Zedong, or just let him grow like that, and gives East Turkestan to China, to Mao Zedong. So they like Russia, or Russia has a very high reputation in Chinese society. That's why Russia, we call it China's master. So China can just spread fake news like that. There's no evidence, nothing. They just saying random thing. Oh, Russia just said, Russia higher rank officials said, and there's no any evidence. They just post it like that and let their people believe, okay, yeah, the international media is fake. Actually, like Russia said, COVID is from America. That's why a lot of Chinese get killed, probably. You know, that's how they think. Yeah, everything is beginning in China. We all see, we all witness, but they just do it. For me, let me tell you, the reason the camps, they test everybody, they force them eat all those medicine. What I believe is they tested their COVID, they did enough experiment in the camp, in the concentration camp. Otherwise, Chinese communists don't spend millions and millions money, just hold a lot of people in camps and for no reasons. They just definitely tested all this bioweapon in Uyghurs. Now the whole world is suffering. That's why I'm saying that today's Uyghurs' life is tomorrow yours. So support Uyghurs, be the voice for us. Stand next to us, side by side with us. That's how you save yourself. Okay? Uyghurs yesterday is today's world today's. Okay? What you're facing today, that was Uyghurs yesterday. Okay? So if you want to have a better life, stop this genocide. Stop this Uyghur genocide. Help me to count and spread this channel, spread my message to the world. I cannot do anything alone, guys. What I'm doing is super dangerous. It's like, you know, Facebook almost tried to ban my account, which I built for a long time, has like thousands people, couple thousand, more than 15,000 people, followers. That's not easy job. We keep posting original content. We make our own original artist on it. If they ban, they can ban easily. But if I have enough reputation or enough followers on the Telegram, if they ban me, I can open another account. Those followers gonna come back soon. But if I don't have enough community members, then my voice gonna shut down immediately. Basically, I can't do anything. So we have a lot of tough talk on China, so I cannot do it on Facebook. I can only do it among our members. So join our community. The first link in the description. If you click second link, it's gonna be the subscribe button. Subscribe button. This is very important too. This is gonna be so click the ring bell, so you're not gonna miss any of my stream. Alright guys, there's a bell button, just click it. Thanks for your support. And one more thing, after this I will show you guys. See, they're still saying, oh, This is from see, even those scientists in China is Wuhan P4 labs. They use same video. Look at our kids, 5-6 years old kids has to help their mom. This is our tradition. If there's tough work, the male do it, no matter the kids or not. See, like COVID, that's why they can't even, like, all people on the line waiting something, but they have social distance. Yes, this one I want to show you guys because this is the evidence of forced labor. Look at that two guy. What these two guys on the screen, what they're doing? They're eating sunflower seed, you can see easily. And the force on the hill, see? And then they're monitoring those Uyghur ladies pick up the cotton. That's called forced labor of 21st century. Two Chinese watching all Uyghurs pick up the cotton from the field. That's what is going on. That is what is called forced labor. Look at this. Two Chinese watching Uyghur. Those Chinese monsters come from mainland China without nothing. Probably only one shirt, but they will come to China. They become the landowner. Okay, guys? They become the landowner. They become the rich, and the local people on the street, like what you're watching from my channel. This is. I'm glad we find this video to show those Chinese propaganda. There's a lot of Chinese propaganda. If you guys saw those type of video on YouTube, just share this video to them. They're saying that all China cotton field is use high technique. You only need a 2-person for big field with a machine. That bullshit. And I also got 50-cent Chinese online armies comment, guys. If you guys wanna contribute something to this channel, keep commenting, okay? Just commenting. If you saw those 50 cents people on my comment section, just talk to them. Let them shut their mouths, you know. Okay, I think today's video you guys already watched, and I still have more than 500 to count. So I don't know what problem is this. Okay. Yeah, there's enough evidence. It's forced labor. Like they still, they try to blame everything to the Western media. They're saying, "Oh, Western is evil. The Western is." That's how they spread their hate to the world. In mainland China, that's very like a basic. Everyone gets the information is all Western. America is our evil, just like North Korea, right? Like America is bad, America is the worst. Now they're trying to to say to the world, America is the worst, America is evil. That's what we learned from the beginning, right? Like the the invaders, destroyers. Every time international media blame, oh, why you do this to the Uyghurs? You know what their answer is? For Americans, you would say, oh, America did that to the Native American before too. They have no right to talk to us like that. And for the Australians, they say same thing. Oh, Australia also killed a lot of people in Afghanistan and the Native Australian. So why you speak like that? You know, that's their mentality. So you did that, so I can do that now. It's openly genocide right now. So China use a lot of news, different news to just make you forget what is going on. And The most important thing in this world can't be more important than the genocide of the whole nation. So that's why I'm here, to remind people there's genocide going on. Stand up. If you don't stand up, your life is not gonna be better too. China never stops. This evil never gonna stop. The first version of virus released, I don't know how many people got killed in your country. It's never gonna turn better. We need to end this genocide first. This is the first step. So don't forget, click the like button as well, guys, and share the video. Alright guys, I will start my counting. I still have a lot of things to do. Today is total is 5,400, which means like 0.54%. I still have more than I think if I do like this speed, it's gonna be takes me like 1,000 days, guys. So that's why I'm asking you guys, help me to like count for me, guys. If you don't want to show yourself on the screen, just to write down a piece of paper, China committing genocide, China committing genocide 50 times or 10 times, and then I will combine it together with mine. As long as there's 1 million times call out in this channel, that's work. So if I do by myself alone, it's gonna take a long time. Whoever trying to help me, then that would be awesome. I will appreciate a lot. My mouth is tired because of just calling the same word every day. Okay, I gotta start. China committing genocide, 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 China. Click the like button, guys. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Thanks, man. China committing genocide, 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 China committing genocide. Yeah, my counter is not working well, guys. Sometimes when I press, it doesn't get out by itself, so I have to press and pull like this. Maybe I need to buy another one. I also downloaded a counter app on phone. Maybe I need to try that next time. And one more thing I want to tell you guys is, maybe you're gonna see my face is more messy because of I'm not gonna shave, or I'm not gonna get haircut, right? Like my hair is getting grow. My member from our Uyghur Man community, they said, yeah, you should not just keep it till you finish. It is good idea, yeah, kind of like calling out, and you know, I can let people feel something what I'm doing by not shaving, not cutting my hair. But if it's gonna last 3 years, like I mentioned, one day if I only can able to call at 1,000 times, it's gonna be super nasty if I don't cut my hair 3 years. So if you guys help me, if I can finish in 1 year, I'm okay for not getting haircut for 1 year, I think. But I have to definitely, 1 million is my goal. I need you guys support. Again and again, I'm saying this. No matter what, like whatever way you can support, join our community, or keep sharing, or just you know, following our justice journey. Every time, just share our channel, our video, every time stream. See, because the video here I'm getting is all new, all only from the China's leaked video, right? It's nothing you can find from the like YouTube, you know, immediately. This is a Chinese TikTok service, which is like real Uyghurs are taking in Uyghurs, like China's like TikTok service. But some of us like use VPN, go inside and check it, download it for the international community as evidence of what is going on. So I spend a long time just collect these videos every day, guys. So just follow it, you'll get all different real information here. China coming in inside, China coming in inside, China coming in inside, China coming in inside, China coming in inside. Thank you, thank you. China coming in inside, 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 China coming inside, China coming on genocide, China coming on genocide, China coming on genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, China committing genocide. Mr. Forever, are you a member in our community? I think so, right? China coming inside, 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 China committing genocide, China committing genocide. What I'm saying is China committing So, could you just, if you want, just to write it down on the piece of paper, and then send it to me on our community. Then I can post it from our Facebook, from our YouTube channel. You know, I mean, you send it me, type here. It is hard for me to record it. You know. China coming in inside, 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 China coming in inside. China coming in inside, 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 China coming in inside. China coming in inside, 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 China coming in inside. Yes, China coming in inside, 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 China. Wow, that's awesome. Thank you. I don't know how to read that thing, like Cynthia, but I just call you beauties. China coming in inside, 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 China coming in inside. China coming in inside, China coming in inside. Thank you, Beast. China coming in inside, 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 China coming in inside. Yeah, this mosque, China coming in inside, China coming in inside, China coming in inside, China coming in inside, China coming in. This mosque has 600 years history. There's not too many mosques in the world has 600 years history. This is one of them and destroyed by China. And no one do anything in the world. Can't do anything in the world, I know. China coming in, 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 China coming in. Thank you, Beast. China coming in, 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 China com China Comedian, 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 China Comedian. Now is 5-7. I have more 3 more hundred left. China Comedian, 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 China Comedian. Guys, please don't forget click the ring bell button so you're not gonna miss my future stream. Maybe because it's so hard for me to do like stream every single day in the same time, maybe sometimes like different time, 1 hour or 2 hours ahead or 2 hours late. So I don't want you guys to miss my channel. If you guys be here with me like this, way better. I mean, so please forget, subscribe and click the ring bell button, guys. China Comedian, 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 China Comedian. And if you guys use Twitter, this is my hashtag, guys. Million times call out. Million times call out. Just share our video in Twitter and with this hashtag. I would really appreciate, guys. China Comedian, 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 China comedian inside 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 China comedians, 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 China committing genocide. 6,000 total just from me. If you guys want to join, the best way to support this movement is take a video like what I did, China committing genocide, China committing genocide, just call China committing genocide to the world 100 times, or 5-minute video, or 5-second video, it doesn't matter. But I will collect all this support together with mine totally. If there's 1 million, when it reach 1 million call-outs, then I will stop. Okay, then I will stop. If you want me to just finish this as soon as possible, just help me, guys. Please support. I cannot do anything by myself. Single person cannot do anything. If you also get mad what's going on to Uyghurs, get sad, if you want to support Uyghurs, this is a way to support, guys. And don't forget, click the like button and spread this voice to the world. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Today is gonna be short because 400 callouts I did mystically forgot, but I forgot to click the go stream start button. So, all right, guys. Thanks for you guys watching. Thanks for your support, and I will see you guys in next stream, probably tomorrow. See you.